Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this slide and take a look at it. You see, the thing about this slide is pretty nice and amazing, but you don't see any effect or any slide. So how we can create it? The first thing is that in the new slide, we format the background, and for the background, we use radical, and then from the middle, and with 3 colors, we create that nice effect. And you can also do this with white, and with white it's going to also look like this. It's up to you, but let's go with this and a little lighter. Okay, it's going to go nice, but I'm going to make the light a little disappear. Now, how to create this? This shape is something you can create easily. It's an smart art. You can find it easily some places here. You see, this is the shape. But the most thing you don't understand is that how this shape looks like this. So you can add anything to it from here to make it bigger, and after that select all of it and convert it to shapes. Then insert a rectangle here and press Ctrl A. Sorry everybody. Press Ctrl A. You see, you can't merge this shape because these are groups and you need to ungroup them. Ctrl A and not combine, fragment. Your beautiful shapes are ready. Now you can color them up one by one like this that I do. After that you need to add just these texts, nothing special. So let's go and work at our ready thing. But you see, with the light color in the back we have a problem because the text is darker, so we are going to continue with dark color. And now we have it, but there is some modification that we can create. We select these shapes. It's important you can add them shadow from the top to make this great effect, or from the bottom, is up to you. You see the top thing is working well. After that, there is a real good question how the animation is going to work. The animation is created using one animation here, fly in. We select all of them and gave them fly in animation, you see, and the thing is done. Let's take a look. It's as pretty as possible, and you can also bring it a little here. Then you can here increase the durations. Now let's take a look. You see, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.